Hi guys, I'm Rhea. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new product review, and you want to know a super inexpensive and easy way to style your hair? I'm going to show you. Stay tuned. Okay, so it's easy for me to get excited about something new, and today I'm trying out a new product. This is by OGX, and it's Locking Coconut Curls Air Dry Cream. Here's what it looks like. So instructions say to apply this to damp hair and then just let it air dry, but I know myself and I know my hair, and if I apply anything to damp hair, I'm gonna have like frizz galore. So I'm gonna try this out by applying it to wet hair as I normally do, like what I would normally do with any other product. I apply it to the scrunchie where you can hear that sound. And then after I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and use a microfiber towel, squeeze out the excess moisture, probably let it air dry for a little bit, and then I'm gonna go back in and add some more. So let's see. I'm only using this one product. I did not do leave-in conditioner. I didn't do a curl cream, no gel, anything. It's just this straight out of the shower. And then I will also link below the shampoo and conditioner I used today as well. So, okay, let's try it. So that's about 3.5 pumps. And I am just going to rake this through. And it does say that this product helps with frizz. And like I said, it's just an air dry cream, so I will not be diffusing today. And it does have a pretty good smell, like a coconutty smell. And I'm gonna rake through in the back. Okay, so because I want to make sure that this is well distributed, I'm going to go ahead and brush through so I get it all the way through my hair. I want it to touch as many strands as possible. And since there's no gel in this, like my brush is going smoothly through my hair. So I have no issue with it like catching or tangling or anything like that. Okay, and then for good measure, I'm gonna scrunch some in as well. So I'm gonna take 3 more pumps. I'm gonna flip my hair upside down. Go ahead and get the bottom. And then I'm gonna just go ahead and scrunch. And I can tell right now that my hair, see all these strands that are separating, they're not clumping. I can tell that it's separating, so I'm just gonna brush it again. This is where you just kind of have to follow what your hair does, just kind of, work on it as you're adding products. And if it's separating like this, then you just kind of rebrush and try it again. Okay, so now they're clumping together a little bit better. It's plenty wet, so I don't feel like I need more water. I think I just need to brush it together and then kind of squeeze it together. And like I said, this is the first time I've ever tried this product, so it could be a fail or it could be awesome. I'll have to wait and see. Okay, curl clumps are looking better. There's still a few like separated strands, but I don't think it's that big of a deal. The weird thing to me is like not having the gel, because I really think the gel holds the product in better. But I'm excited to try this. Okay, so now I'm gonna grab the microfiber towel. Okay, I'm just gonna squeeze out the excess moisture. My hair holds a lot of moisture, and so I wanna get as much as I can out since I'm air drying today, because it's just gonna take a while to get it to air dry. I'm like a little nervous here. That's just not looking, I don't know. We'll see. Maybe once I add more of this, because it says, to add it to damp hair. So maybe once I add more, it will look better. But as of right now, as I'm applying this and they're that separated and not really clumped, I'm not real sure how this product's gonna work. So we will see. I'm like, it was a wash day for me, so I'm really hoping this turns out well so I don't have to re-wet and do all that. But that's the fun of this channel, is I try it out, and then if it works, then you can try it. So, okay, I'm gonna let it dry for a little bit. I'm gonna go eat some lunch, come back, and then I will reapply some more. All right, I'm back. So my hair is damp. It's actually kind of a little dry on the ends. And I really don't know that I need to add more, but I'm going to, just because I want to try it out. So I'm going to do 2 pumps. And of course, if you don't have like thick, long hair, then you're definitely not going to need this much. I'm just going to kind of squeeze it in there. And then I just feel like I want to add 1 more pump. Just because I know if I don't have enough, then it's just going to be frizzy. Okay, so my hair, I would say, is probably 60% dry right now. So I'm going to go ahead and let it finish drying, and then I'll be back and show you the final result. Okay, I'm back. My hair is 100% dry. It looks decent, but if you look closely, I mean, I feel like there's quite a bit of frizz. And so I'm going to do what I typically would do when I'm done styling. You know, the final step that I would normally do is to add an oil. And so today I'm going to try jojoba oil. And so I've got about that much. I don't know if you can see that. And I'm just going to see if I can kind of smooth out some of the frizz. My hair does feel like super soft since I don't have any gel in it. That helped a little bit. If you don't have coarse hair and you have a wave to your hair, you may have better results than me, just because I feel like the coarseness in my hair is what brings out the frizz. And so if you have more naturally like smooth hair, I think this might be something that would work for you. So I'm just pulling it through, and then I've got it in between my fingers, so I'm going to go in like this. Okay, so that looks better. And then I can also just take individual pieces and kind of curl them in my fingers. Okay, so if we're going to compare, here's the side I did with the oil. Here's the side I haven't done with oil. So this side definitely looks better. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other side. Emulsify it in my hands and then just kind of pull it through, ensuring I distribute it. That looks better. Make sure I do the back. The great thing that I like about this is like I have no stiffness, so I can just, you know, run my fingers through it, fluff it up. It looks pretty good. Huh. I was really nervous about this, but wow, for like not having to do anything to it and not having to apply a lot of products, I like it a lot. Okay, so it feels just a little damp right here still and right here. So I'm gonna let it fully dry. I thought it was fully dry, but it's still a little bit wet here. I'm gonna let it fully dry, and then I'm gonna come back and we'll look at the final results. Okay, it is dry. I like it. Reminds me of like Beachy waves. So they're like not super defined, but they're just wavy, and like, actually I probably could add more oil. I mean, it takes a lot for my hair to look greasy. So I just did another pump of oil there and kind of twist it around. So it's a really windy day today, and so I'm thinking that this hairstyle is probably going to be okay for that, because I feel like this is kind of like a windblown look. So I'll let you see the back. Super versatile. I could even throw in like a little clip to the side if I wanted. But okay, this is a keeper. I'm definitely going to keep this product, and I will link it below so you can try it out. Let me know if you have any questions about the technique I did, about this oil, anything, any kind of question that you have for me, or let me know if you've tried this product before and what you thought of it. I'd love to hear from you.